Bird-friendly glass, a compassionate approach to architectural design. What is bird-friendly glass? Bird-friendly glass is an innovative type of building glass designed to prevent bird collisions. It includes visible markers or patterns that birds can see, thus lessening the chance of them crashing into glass surfaces. These markers are typically made through processes like etching, frosting, or coatings that appear visible under ultraviolet light, which is detectable by birds, but usually discreet to human vision. Types of bird-friendly glass. Solutions: acid etch or frosted glass. Features patterns etched into the glass that act as visual signals to birds. UV reflective glass, treated with materials that reflect ultraviolet light, rendering the glass noticeable to birds yet inconspicuous to humans. Fly-safe, 3D PVB film laminated glass that you fly safe. 3D offers effective options for building facades with two different sequence sizes, 6mm and 9mm in diameter, with two color options of silver matte and shiny. Frit glass, glass embedded with ceramic patterns that are baked onto the surface, forming a textured pattern visible to birds. Digital print glass, glass with specific anti-bird design on the surface, to create a noticeable patterns for the birds. Laser print, the surface of the glass is not impacted by the laser printing method. The elements, dots or designs are applied by a laser in conjunction with nanoparticle tape. The laser print is wafer-thin, color-fast, light-proof, smudge-proof, and scratch-resistant, understanding bird collisions with glass and their environmental impact every year. Millions of birds perish by colliding with glass windows and facades, mistaking the clear or reflective surfaces for open spaces or their natural surroundings. These incidents pose a significant conservation challenge, impacting a variety of bird species, from the common city dwellers to rare migratory birds. The consequences extend beyond the immediate loss of avian life, influencing biodiversity and ecological stability. The role of bird-friendly glass in contemporary architecture. With the expansion of urban areas and the increasing use of large glass elements in modern designs, the risk of bird collisions escalates. Bird-friendly glass is a crucial advancement in sustainable architecture, blending the desire for aesthetically pleasing, light-enriched spaces with the need for wildlife protection. It enables architects and builders to create structures that are both visually appealing and environmentally responsible, minimizing the ecological impact of buildings and promoting a balance between urban development and natural habitats. The challenges with standard glass data on bird collision studies show that in the United States alone, up to 1 billion birds annually fall victim to window strikes. The transparency and reflectivity of standard glass render it invisible to birds, often resulting in deadly collisions. The risks of conventional glass to bird standard glass, being clear and highly reflective, poses a lethal hazard for birds. They fail to see clear glass as an obstacle and may head towards reflections of the sky or trees, leading to crashes. Furthermore, nocturnal building lights can confuse migrating birds, heightening collision risks. The absence of visual cues in traditional glass, necessary for birds to recognize and evade it, underscores the importance of bird-friendly glass solutions in addressing these dangers. Design and functionality patterns and visual markers that prevent bird collisions. Bird-friendly glass features. Designs that birds can easily see, yet are subtle to human eyes. These designs, often resembling natural obstacles, are placed close together, roughly 2 inches or 5 centimeters apart, to signal to birds that there's a solid barrier ahead. Common designs include stripes, dots, and abstract forms that create visual disturbances, helping to prevent birds from colliding with the glass. How bird-friendly glass is made. The creation of bird-friendly glass involves adding visual markers to the glass during its production. This can be done through various techniques such as silkscreen printing with ceramic frit, acid etching, or incorporating UV reflective materials. These methods ensure that the designs are permanently part of the glass, maintaining both its durability and visual appeal without compromising clarity. Technological progress in bird-friendly glass innovations and materials used. Recent breakthroughs in bird-friendly glass technology have led to the creation of coatings that reflect ultraviolet light, which birds can see but humans cannot. Technological advances also include nanotechnology to produce intricate, effective patterns for preventing bird collisions while keeping the glass clear. Ongoing research into glass tinting and coloring, detectable by birds but not humans, points to future enhancements in bird-friendly glass products. Case studies of effective use. A prominent example is the renovation of the Jacob K. Javits Convention Center in New York City, which integrated bird-friendly glass and significantly cut down on bird collisions, proving the material's effectiveness on a large scale. Similarly, the San Francisco International Airport has employed bird-friendly glass to combat bird strikes, demonstrating its value in areas with heavy traffic and high collision risks. Benefits of bird-friendly glass. Impact on the environment. Bird-friendly glass is pivotal in wildlife conservation, greatly reducing bird deaths caused by window strikes. By lessening these incidents, structures equipped with bird-friendly glass aid in the protection of biodiversity and the upkeep of ecological harmony. This supports broader environmental goals, like minimizing human-induced wildlife threats and enhancing biodiversity in urban settings. Enhancements to building appearance and natural light. Choosing bird-friendly glass doesn't compromise beauty or natural lighting. Contemporary bird-friendly glass designs integrate effortlessly with building aesthetics, preserving the attractiveness and clarity of glass exteriors. They provide sufficient natural light and clear views, while introducing a distinct feature to the building's design, potentially boosting its appeal to eco-aware occupants and visitors. Guidelines and certifications for bird-friendly glass. Understanding the standards and certifications. To foster the adoption of bird-friendly glass, various standards and certifications have been introduced to verify its efficacy. The American Bird Conservancy, ABC, has set guidelines detailing the necessary patterns and spacing to avert bird collisions. Certifications such as LEED, Leadership in Energy and Environmental Design, now offer points for bird collision prevention, acknowledging the role of bird-friendly design in sustainable architecture. The Facade Safety Council, FSC, also offers guidance and certification for bird-safe materials, ensuring they meet established visibility and impact standards. Ensuring adherence to standards. To adhere to these guidelines, architects and builders should opt for glass that is certified as bird-friendly, ensuring it fulfills the required pattern density and reflectivity standards. Engaging with certified consultants or entities can also assist in the design process, guaranteeing that building exteriors meet bird safety regulations and support sustainable construction methods. Around the globe, cities such as Toronto, New York, and San Francisco are adopting regulations or guidelines, mandating the use of bird-friendly glass in new buildings. Notable examples include New York's Jacob K. Javits Convention Center and the California Academy of Sciences in San Francisco, showcasing the incorporation of bird-friendly glass in significant architectural projects. The effectiveness of bird-friendly glass is proven by numerous success stories. For instance, the Jacob K. Javits Convention Center experienced a dramatic 90% reduction in bird collisions after installing bird-friendly glass. Architects and property owners praise its benefits, noting not just the decrease in bird fatalities, but also the enhanced aesthetic appeal and environmental advantages, contributing to a positive image and support of sustainability initiatives. In selecting the appropriate bird-friendly glass, several factors need consideration. Pattern visibility. Choose a pattern that is visible to birds, yet also satisfies design aesthetics. Location and environment. Account for the local avian species and their behaviors, along with the building's placement and nearby natural settings. Certification and compliance. Opt for products that adhere to recognized standards and certifications. Durability and maintenance. Look for glass that is long-lasting and easy to maintain. The market offers a variety of bird-friendly glass products and brands, each with distinct features and advantages. For instance, the visual markers on the glass may vary, including etched patterns, UV reflective coatings, or fritted designs. Companies such as Arnold Glass, Vitrum, and Guardian Glass provide diverse options suited to specific requirements and regulatory standards. When comparing these products, consider their effectiveness in preventing bird collisions, aesthetic appeal, cost, and how well they integrate with other construction materials and design goals. Installing and maintaining. Bird-friendly glass guidelines for installing bird-friendly glass. To effectively install bird-friendly glass, meticulous attention is crucial. This type of glass should be installed in a way that reduces reflections of the sky and vegetation, which are the primary triggers for bird collisions. During the installation process, it's important to position the visual markers properly, ensuring they are evenly spaced on all glass panels. Additionally, integrating bird-friendly glass with other architectural elements like balconies and curtain walls is vital to create a comprehensive barrier that prevents bird strikes. Maintenance and cleaning advice. Maintaining bird-friendly glass involves similar practices to standard glass, yet it requires special care to preserve its bird-deterring characteristics. Opt for gentle cleaning methods to prevent damage to the patterns or coatings that keep birds safe. Regular checks are necessary to evaluate the condition of the visual markers, making sure they continue to be visible and effective. The future of bird-friendly glass, emerging trends in bird-friendly architecture. Looking ahead, the evolution of bird-friendly glass will likely merge technology and design with a shift towards intelligent, adaptable solutions. Current research is geared towards creating glass that can alter its features according to the time of day or season, enhancing bird safety and improving energy efficiency. Additionally, advancements in material science are being explored to make glass that is easily detectable by birds, yet remains aesthetically pleasing and functional. Prospects for broader implementation and innovation. As awareness increases, the adoption of bird-friendly glass is expected to rise, extending beyond commercial and public edifices to include homes. With more regulatory backing and a growing demand for eco-friendly building methods, the market for bird-friendly glass is set to widen. This expansion will likely spur further innovation, leading to the development of more sophisticated, cost-efficient solutions. Conclusion. Bird-friendly glass is at the heart of architecture, environmental conservation, and technology. It plays a pivotal role in mitigating bird collisions, contributing to environmental sustainability and enhancing the visual appeal of buildings. Architects, urban planners, and society must emphasize bird-friendly designs in their projects, transcending mere regulatory compliance to cultivate a balanced coexistence with nature. As we advance in our construction and design endeavors, our aim should be to leave behind an architectural heritage that not only respects but also protects our avian friends, steering us towards a future that is both sustainable and conducive to wildlife.